Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically import data from websites into Google Sheets. So if you're tired of copying and pasting data from websites, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically import data from any websites into Google Sheets using IMPORTHTML and IMPORTXML. So this will save you lots of time. Let's just dive in. So what is import HTML? So first, these functions help you import tables or lists from a website directly into your sheets. So you can just open your Google Sheets and select the cells where you want your data to appear. Let's say I'm going to just go in here. So this is the formula. And now you can just use this formulas right here. Import HTML and then URL. So the URL is here, the website URL you want to pull data from, and the query is the specific table or list depending on what you want to import, and index is the index number of the table or list you want to pull. Usually starts at 1. For example, if you want to pull a list of a top news headlines, you can just use list as the query, and the index that you choose which table or list to pull if there are multiple on the page. And if you want to use import XML, so the export XML comes with this functions right here. So this is for more complex web scraping needs, so you can pull specific data from any XML or HTML page using XPath queries. So you can just select the cell where you want your data to appear and use this formula right here. So the URL is in here, the website URL, and the XPath is the XPath query to locate the data you want to pull. For instance, if you want to grab the title of an article, you can use the XPath that directly targets the article's title. So this can pull data from any elements on the page. So that's all from me. That's how you can automatically import data from any website into Google Sheets using these two functions. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.